Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shaina Nensi, President of the Ontario Association of Optometrists. Optometry in Ontario is entering a defining moment, one built on more than a century of leadership and advocacy. And thanks to the leadership of our board and the engagement of our members, we've developed this new plan, a plan that reflects our shared priorities and our collective vision for the future of eye care in Ontario. Today, we're proud to share OAO's strategic plan, Focus Forward, our roadmap to strengthening the profession and transforming how eye care is delivered across the province. Over the past few years, we've made tremendous progress together, advancing negotiations, growing our membership, and strengthening our public voice. But the world around us is changing fast, from new technology and health system reforms to shifting patient expectations. That's why this plan is about looking ahead, not just reacting, but leading. Our plan is anchored in 4 pillars that define our priorities and purpose. Unity, establishing the OAO as relevant, inclusive, and essential to all Ontario optometrists. Advocacy, elevating our profession and securing fair funding and scope to meet Ontario's eye care needs. Influence, educating the public to see optometrists as the first stop for lifelong eye care and vision care. And insight, enhancing our profession through data, technology, and education that drive smarter, future-ready decisions. This is more than just a vision on paper. Each pillar is supported by measurable outcomes and performance indicators that track progress in member engagement, advocacy impact, public awareness, and organizational excellence. Through our operating plan, we'll align people, systems, and communication to deliver results. Because at OAO, strategy drives action. This plan was built through broad consultation, hundreds of voices from across Ontario's optometric community. It reflects our shared experience, our shared purpose, and our commitment to advancing eye care for all Ontarians. The entire OAO board and I are proud of what this plan represents and are excited for the years ahead. Our focus is clear: to ensure that all 16 million Ontarians have the best possible experience protecting their eyesight now and well into the future. We hope you are as inspired and motivated by the plan as we are. Focus Forward is our path, and together, as a unified profession, we will make it happen.